Hello guys, this is a video on the Ford Mondeo 2007 on how to replace rear shock, the high pressure shocks. There's a new one. They're 400 quid, quite expensive, but you have to be really careful with them because they're high pressure shocks. All you basically have to do is take the wheel off, support the subframe with the jack. They got two 10mm at the top and 21mm going through that hole there to the other side. Obviously you have to do it from the other side. That's the one. Got a lock on it. So yeah, just undo it from the other side and then loosen them up. The shock comes off. Put a new one on. Only cut this after you've installed it and secured it. Don't cut it off before. And that should be it, guys. This one was leaking a lot and it was bouncing like hell. It's quite an easy job. Just be careful with the pressure. Don't just cut it off before you install it. Don't cut them off, please. Just when it's installed. Thank you.